1, 0, and liftoff. Roger, 0G, and I feel fine.
Hi guys, so welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a bunch of different graphic eyeliner ideas. If you know me or if you follow me on Instagram, I always have eyeliner. Eyeliner just makes me feel like the baddest person in the room, even if I don't feel like it. I put on winged eyeliner and I feel like the president. Lately, within the past year, I've been kind of doing more like graphic eyeliners, and dude, I can't tell you how much it's changed my life. It made me feel more like a bad bitch. Here's just like my basic cat eye winged eyeliner that I do all the time. It's fairly easy to do. The way I was taught is obviously through YouTube, and I started off using like a piece of tape, and you can just do a piece of tape right here and fill it all in. The key thing for eyeliner is when you do the part that's on your lid, try to thin out the tip as much as possible when you do it. That way, when you drag it out, it's kind of just looks like it's coming right from your waterline, and it's not too thick unless you want it thick. But typically for this kind of eyeliner, you have it thin and then go out to thick for the wing. Okay, so for the next part of the winged eyeliner, I'm just gonna kind of build off of this because this is usually the basis what you do for a graphic liner. I'm gonna do my little line that I usually do. Usually it goes right over the lid and connects to this right here. So what you want to do for this specific liner is you want to try to go from thin and then thick it out as it gets down to here. What I usually do is have the brush kind of thin and then kind of twist it as it gets down. You're gonna start thin and then thick it out as it gets down. This might be kind of ass, but oh well. See the edges that are a little bit like, I'm just gonna fix those up. Okay, so that looks good for that side. Let's do the other side real quick. I didn't think that they would both come out decently even. When I usually do eyeliner, they're never twins. They're usually like distant cousins or something. They never look the same. Now I'm gonna add on to this. We are going to add a line under here. And under here, this is what I usually kind of do sometimes when I want a little bit something special, but it just looks cool. Really just a straight line, kind of start at the outer corner and go up to the wing. Do it on this side. Yep, this one's definitely different from that one, but that's okay. And there you have it. They're definitely distant cousins. I've been trying to get better at doing a little inner corner like fox eyeliner. I love it so much. It's so pretty, and I'm just gonna add a little inner corner. Usually what I do, get like a thin amount of eyeliner on the tip of the applicator, and you're gonna do it right in there, kind of like a tiny triangle. Try to have the point kind of going downwards because that's like how your eye corner goes, or it might go to the side. Basically follow the like shape of the inner corner of your eye. Okay, so usually you don't go like that far in with it. However, I messed up on this side, so I had to do it on that side. However, this actually looks kind of cute when you go a little bit more in on the bottom with it. I kind of like it. Okay, so we have the regular wing, then you do this over, the line, the little fox inner corner. Now, I'm gonna add dots. These are usually really hard. What I usually do is get a decent amount onto the tip of the applicator, and wherever I want the dots, I'm just gonna boop, 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 boop. I usually like to put my dots at the end of the line here, but you can put them anywhere you want, where you'd like them, where they look pretty. Okay, these aren't bad. They're not bad. Usually a technique I do is to just dot it with the tip like really carefully, and then if you don't like how the dot came out, kind of dot it again, but like on the part that kind of got messed up. What did I tell you? Distant cousins, they definitely don't look the same. They look similar, but not the same. Still pretty though, not gonna lie. So here is the final look. Out exactly how I wanted it to. Maybe this line needs to be a little more spaced out like this one, but generally this is how I kind of do my graphic liner. I start from the basic and then just kind of build up. Graphic liner is very random, just a bunch of lines to make a bunch of designs, line designs. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you would like more makeup type videos, maybe like step-by-step, like get ready with me videos, comment down below. This is my first time doing one, so if it's a little rough, that's why. But I do hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends to watch my videos. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye from me and Chewbacca.